How can one person destroy a bank that survived for 233 years? It sounds impossible. But in 1995, that's exactly what happened. This is the story of Nick Leeson, the trader who brought down one of the oldest banks in the world. For more than 2 centuries, Barings Bank was one of Britain's most respected financial institutions. It had survived wars, economic crises, and political turmoil. At one point, it was even known as the Bank of the British royal family. Its reputation seemed untouchable. Then came a young trader named Nick Leeson. In the early 1990s, Leeson was sent to Singapore to manage Barings' trading operations. At first, he appeared to be a rising star. His trades generated large profits. Executives in London were impressed. Bonuses increased. Trust grew. But there was a problem. The profits were not real. Behind the scenes, Leeson had begun hiding losses in a secret account. The account was known as 888. Whenever a trade lost money, he quietly moved the losses there. Management didn't notice. Or perhaps they didn't look closely enough. As time passed, the losses became larger. Instead of admitting his mistakes, Leeson made even bigger bets. He hoped one lucky trade would recover everything. But it never happened. Then disaster struck. In January 1995, a massive earthquake hit Kobe, Japan. Financial markets reacted violently. The positions Leeson had taken moved sharply against him. His losses exploded. Millions became hundreds of millions. Hundreds of millions became billions. By February, the situation was hopeless. The hidden losses had reached more than $1.3 billion, an amount greater than the entire capital of Barings Bank. The bank simply could not survive. On February 26, 1995, Barings Bank officially collapsed. A financial institution that had existed for 233 years was gone, destroyed by the actions of a single trader. Nick Leeson fled Singapore. For a short time, he became one of the most wanted men in finance. He was eventually arrested in Germany and extradited to Singapore. There, he was sentenced to prison. The collapse shocked the financial world. Experts asked the same question. How could one person have so much power? The answer was simple: poor oversight, weak controls, and too much trust. Today, the story of Nick Leeson is studied in business schools around the world, not because he was a genius, but because his mistakes became one of the most expensive lessons in financial history. A bank survived for 233 years. Wars couldn't destroy it. Recessions couldn't destroy it. But one employee could, and he did.